welcome to Shlomit's Cuisine, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make picadillo. So let's stop talking and let's start cooking. We're also going to have a special ingredient in the video, so stay in touch at the end where you can see the secret ingredients. Ingredient: tomato sauce and